ReMarkable planner sales are exploding right now, especially on Etsy. And creators who are designing specifically for the ReMarkable tablet are seeing great results. One of the biggest mistakes I see is people repurposing planners made for other devices or guessing at PDF sizes. And that leads to planners that don't feel quite right on the ReMarkable. Inside a book creator's planner tool, there's a new feature that solves this. You can now choose the exact device you're creating for, including the ReMarkable, and your interactive PDF is sized perfectly automatically. While I'll be focusing on ReMarkable tablets in this demo, this same feature also lets you create planners for the Kindle Scribe, iPads, and Samsung tablets just as easily. Let me show you how to create a professional ReMarkable planner in minutes. Let's jump into the planner tool and I'll show you exactly where the setting is and how it works. You'll find this new option under book settings. Now, instead of saying Kindle Scribe here, you get interactive PDF. And when you click on that, you have a drop-down menu that lets you choose between Kindle Scribe, ReMarkable device, iPad, or the Samsung Galaxy Tab. Let's go ahead and go with the ReMarkable device. I already have some settings here. Let's do a refresh. And here is what our planner looks like. We have a year page with links to all of the months on the side, as well as all of the weeks. We also have a goals page that we've added that will look like this. We have a month page that we've added a prompt to, along with links to the weeks down the side, links to the days, and we still have our little side menu bar with the month of the year. We also have a week page and a day page. Let me just quickly show you how to get this added. If you go to the year settings or any of the page settings, you will find Add Pages. And here you can click this button to add the pages. You can specify how many pages you want. You can set the page, which are either in your files or your designs. You can give the page a link, and then it will show up here. This 2026 goals is what this is going to say here, and it will also say that on the index for the PDF. And if you want to do prompts, you can do this as well on the month settings. Just go down here, add monthly prompts, and this will give you one prompt per month. So I've entered 12 prompts, one for each month of the year. You also, for the month pages, can add daily prompts, and that will give you a prompt inside the box for every day of the month for the entire year, for however many months you specify. All right, now let's download it. Oops, let's uncheck that because we're not going to do daily prompts. Now let's download. So here's the planner. You'll see that I have added a cover, which is easy to do. You can just go to front and back matter pages and specify the file that you've uploaded already, and you can give it a title for the bookmarks. And then we have all of the pages, so we can go to the 26 goals, we can go back to the year page, we can click on a month, we can click on the day, we can click on a week. Days, so it's very interactive. It makes it easy to transverse from days to months to weeks, and it's perfectly sized for the ReMarkable device. If you'd like to see the ability to select the devices for your interactive PDFs added to the puzzle tools, leave a comment below. If I get enough comments, I will add that for you. When you design a planner specifically for the ReMarkable tablet from the beginning, it shows. The layout feels intentional. the writing experience is better, and the planner looks more professional to buyers. The ReMarkable planner market is growing fast, and creators who focus on device-specific planners are putting themselves in a great position, especially on Etsy. Even better, this same feature lets you create interactive planners for Kindle Scribe, iPad, and Samsung tablets, all from the same tool, without guessing sizes or reworking your files. If you want to start creating professional, device-perfect interactive planners, you can try the A Book Creator Planner tool today. Let me know in the comments which devices you're currently creating planners for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Your journey to crafting journals, planners, logbooks, and more starts here. Get going now with a free 3-day trial at abookcreator.com.